Shein squishy haul and birthday haul, but like it came late, so I'm just opening it now, I guess. My sister finally came with the scissors because this thing wouldn't open.
Beat it.
We're just going to beat it if you couldn't see my lip sync. Okay, we're just going to like grab things, okay? Okay. Oh, so first you have this like, I don't know what it is.
It's in there. If you want to.
Why is there two big? No, I don't use it.
Are you sure? Yes. Can I feel it?
Wait, it's good. It's like better than a normal Orbeez.
I want to feel it.
Okay, hold.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna try to go faster now because that was fast.
Look at how pretty those Orbeez are.
Okay, wax cracking ball. Okay, now we have a wax cracking ball, and I want to crack it. I'm scared. It's so hard. I can't crack it. I can't crack it.
Can I try? Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, that noise. Oh, there's pink inside.
Your rooming made it so hard. That was so hard to crack. Wait, and then I got these, but I'm gonna open them in a different video.
Yeah, looks like you made this.
Okay, and then I got a slow rise squishy. I'm actually excited. I want one of these really. I don't want to squish it yet. I'm trying to just unwrap it without squishing. Oh, I can already feel it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I like that noise.
Ooh, that was good. Okay, and then I got a butter squishy.
I have one.
No, I don't. I don't have one of these. I have the big one, but guys, the big one is not the same as this one. Ready? 3, 2. Woo! Okay, this one's not as slow rise, but
It still is.
it's still slow rise. Don't play with that one! Okay, I don't think there's only 2 things left. Guys, it's another wax cracking ball.
Ooh. I wonder if there's pink inside.
No, it's green, but it already cracked a little. No. Okay, ready?
Wasn't that satisfying? The noise.
Whew. That was way easier to crack, though. Last thing I found is this. I don't know what it is, though. Okay, I'm excited. This one I feel like is going to be good. 3, 2, 1.
Can we squish that?
Okay, stay tuned for part 2 when I open the dumplings. Bye.
Did you?
It never ended.